To set side and volume up case, a shortcut for voice access feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap side and volume up case. Scroll down the screen and then select voice access. The pop-up menu appears to inform you about voice access and the permission needed by this feature. To continue, tap allow. Now you can easily enable or disable this feature by pressing the side and volume up case at the same time. And then select voice access. When voice access is enabled, you can swipe down the top of the screen and then tap to start on the voice access notification. To start using this feature, and you let your phone listen to you, so you can control your device hands-free by using provided voice command. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.